Welcome to Cooking Skills for Teens and Tweens. My name is Alethea Price. I'm the Boyle County Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Cooking Skills for Teens and Tweens is a program in partnership with the Boyle County Public Library. Today, on our final lesson, we're going to be doing a food demonstration of the chicken and Brussels sprouts one-pan meal. I know, you think that Brussels sprouts are bad, but they're actually really good. I encourage you to try this recipe and have a hello bite if you've never tried Brussels sprouts before. Introduce yourself to this new food. It's kind of great, especially when it's covered in cheese and has chicken in it. So, let's go into the kitchen and get started. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a heavy oven-safe skillet or pan over medium heat. Add your chicken cut into bite-sized pieces into the pan. Saute the chicken for 3 or 4 minutes. Lightly season with salt and pepper. Next, add the vegetables. Add 1 red bell pepper that has been diced, 1 cup of fresh mushrooms that have been sliced, 1 medium yellow onion that has been diced, and about 12 to 14 Brussels sprouts trimmed and quartered. Also, add 2 cloves of garlic that has been minced. In a small bowl or liquid measuring cup, add 1/2 cup of half and half, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix together and pour the mixture over the chicken and vegetables. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Bake at 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until lightly golden on top. Serve hot. Thanks for watching this video series. Now I'm going to dig into this chicken and Brussels sprouts one-pan meal before it gets cold. Look at that.